How to delete your Shake Shack account for your desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you thinking of closing your Shake Shack account? Well, here is how to delete it on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in, you can just click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select account settings. And from there, you can scroll down until you find the option for delete account or close account. And there, you may need to confirm your email or re-enter your password for security. And once confirmed, you can just click on delete and this will permanently remove your account and saved info. But here, keep in mind that your order history and rewards will be gone and this action can't be undone once you delete your account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.